Now I am making the connections, input resistor from ground to second terminal of IC. Now feedback resistance. For feedback resistance I'm using potentiometer. Feedback resistance is connected between output to inverting terminal, and output is 6 terminal. Here you can see that 6 pin to 2 pin. I'm going to we have completed negative feedback circuit. Oh no, now we have to complete the positive feedback. For positive feedback, we have to take one resistor and capacitor and connect them in series with from output to input of non-inverting terminal. Here is 1 kilo ohm resistor, 6 pin to here, and this is 1 microfarad capacitor. Capacitor other terminal to non-inverting terminal of IC. Now here we have completed this circuit. Now we have to complete this circuit. Here we have to connect the resistor and capacitor parallel with ground and non-inverting terminal. Here this is the resistor of 1 kilo ohm. And this is 1 microfarad capacitor. The terminal to ground terminal. Now we are going to turn on the IC. We have made